Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Good day everyone, I am Kenneth John Milan of BS Advanced 2A, and today we will discuss about how to solve an LP problem using graphical method. In this video, I will introduce to you what is linear programming. So a linear programming is a mathematical modeling technique in which a linear function is maximized or minimized when subjected to various constraints. This technique has been useful for guiding quantitative decisions in business planning, in industrial engineering, and to a lesser extent, in the social and physical sciences. Let's look at the setting. Produce a list of products with selling prices. Uses a list of raw materials, capital, labor, and etc. Maximize profit using limited resources. And minimize cost meeting the production requirement. Goal is to proper modeling. In this problem, we want to produce two types of face mask, the type A and the type B. And these are the following raw materials needed to produce these two types: the fabric, garter, the finishing labor, and with its maximum limit of resources. And now, we will create our mathematical modeling. The question is, how will the XYZ tailoring maximize their profit but still meet the production requirement? So the variables are A and B. The objective function is to maximize f of AB is equal to 25A plus 30B. Then, subject to the constraints, the fabric, the garter, and the finishing labor. So how should we create our constraints? So as we see on the table, on the fabric column, the type A mask is 10 inches and the type B mask is 12 inches and it has a maximum limit of 40 inches. So we will, as we see the type A mask, we will let the variable A as 10A plus, then the variable B or the mask B is 12B. Then we will create the inequality sign, the less than or equal to 40 as its maximum limit. Then on the garter column, we can see that the type A mask is 0.3 yards and the type B mask is 0.5 yards. So we must use 0.3A plus 0.5B, then the inequality sign less than or equal to 1 as its maximum limit. Then the last column would be the finishing labor. So as we see, the type A mask, we have 10 minutes of labor and the type B mask is 15 minutes of labor. That is why we put 10A plus 15B, then equality sign less than or equal to its maximum limit of 300 minutes to create these two masks. And then A and B is greater than or equal to 0. So that is our mathematical modeling for this problem. Next is we will find the value of our A and B based on our constraints. First is the fabric. To find the value of B, we will let A is equal to 0. 10A plus 12B is less than or equal to 40. Then we will replace the value of A to 0. That is why 10 times 0 plus 12B is less than 40. So 12B divided by 12 and 40 divided by 12. That is why B is less than or equal to 3.3. Next is we will find the value of our A. In this case, we will replace the value of B to 0 to find our A. That is why 10A plus 12B is less than or equal to 40. Next is 10 times 0 plus 12B is less than or equal to 40. And then 10A divided by 10 and 40 divided by 10. That is why we will come up to the value of our A as less than or equal to 4. Then the next constraints, garter and the finishing labor. We will execute the same process on how to get the A and B. So that is why the value of our garter is B is equal to less than or equal to 2 and A is less than or equal to 3.3. And then in the finishing labor, B is less than or greater than 20 and then A is less than or equal to 30. Next is we will substitute the value of our A and B to our objective function. So our objective function is f of AB is equal to 25A plus 30B. So based on the illustration, we will find the optimal solution on the last part, which is the value of our A is equal to 30, and we come up with an answer of 750. After finding the value of our A and B, we will plot the points to a graph. So each constraint we must show the graph, and it is shown below. So we will see the first graph as the fabric, which is the value of our A is 4 and the value of our B is 3.3. So as you can see in the graph, there is a shaded part, and this is what we call the feasible region. In a linear programming, a feasible region is the set of all possible feasible solutions. Next is the garter. The value of our A is 3.3 and the value of our B is 2. And then the last constraint, which is the finishing labor, the value of our A is 30 and the value of our B is 10. So if we put them together, the graph will look like this. So after all of the process that we've gone through, maximum profit is achieved at X or A is equal to 30 and B or Y is equal to 0. So as we see on our objective function, we will come up with a 750 pesos of profit for our face mask. So that's all for today. I hope you've learned something in this lesson. So this is Kenneth John L. Milan. Thank you for watching.
Oh,